Here's how to install your rudder on the PDL10, PDL12, and PDL 13.5T. Simply take the rudder out of the packaging. You'll first want to get the rudder engager, fish it through the hole, down through there, and then simply fish it through that second hole on the blade. Just make one small overhand knot so it gets stuck in there. And now you can see that's stuck in the hole. You'll then go ahead and put on each side piece. And you'll do all of this before you actually put the rudder in position. It makes it a lot easier. Now with a little tension, you'll pull back and drop it in place. You'll see from here, you could bring the rudder up and down and turn it right or left.